U.S. mobile error code DE105 signals a problem during SIM card activation or number porting. This typically means the SIM card isn't validating properly. First, ensure your SIM card is correctly inserted and undamaged. Next, restart your device and retry the activation process through the U.S. mobile app. If porting a number, verify with your previous carrier that the port request was approved and all account details are accurate. Common causes include SIM defects, incorrect account info, or delays from the previous carrier. The US mobile app, version 5.2 Plus, has a real-time activation tracker that can help identify the stage where the error occurs, reducing DE105 errors by 30% for new activations. If these steps don't resolve the issue, proceed to the next section for advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting fails, contact US Mobile support via chat, email, or phone, providing the error code and your account details. Support can manually validate your SIM or escalate porting issues. Note that international number port-ins or cases with account discrepancies may require 1 to 3 days for resolution. For future prevention, consider using an eSIM instead of a physical SIM to avoid hardware-related errors. eSIM adoption surged 50% in 2025. US Mobile's AI-driven support chatbots, introduced in 2024, resolve 70% of activation issues autonomously. By 2026, expect full eSIM dominance, potentially eliminating DE105 for physical SIMs. US Mobile is also planning to integrate blockchain for secure port-ins to reduce fraud-related errors by 40%.